Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, do you know that we can actually solve this problem without using Lambert W function or using logarithm? So I'm going to show you how we can do this real quick solution. So we have x equals to 27 raised to power minus x. Alright, so another way to write this is you can write this as 1 over 27 then raised to power x. Alright, so then how do you cancel this x? If you multiply it by 1 over x, and then whatever you do to this side, you do it to this side. So it means here now we have 1 over 27 raised to power x, then multiply it by 1 over x to cancel out, and then that is what you're also doing here. Multiply this by 1 over x. Right, so this x, we cancel this x here. We have x raised to power 1 over x equals to, this is 1 over 27. Okay, now 27 is a multiple of 3, so we can write it as this is 1 over x equals to 1 over 3 raised to power 3. Okay, 1 raised to power 3 will give us 1. Then 3 raised to power 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. This. Alright, now we can equate the powers and the bases. Okay, so let's equate the bases first. This is x, and the base of this is 1 over 3. So it means x is equals to 1 over 3. Now let's compare this with the powers. The powers we have 1 over x equals to 3. So let's see what we have. We have 1 over x equals to 3. That's 3 over 1. So when you cross multiply, so we have 3x equals to 1. And then divide both sides by 3, x equals to 1 over 3. Right, so x equals to 1 over 3 when we compare the bases here, and it's also 1 over 3 when we equate or compare the powers. We have it here. That shows that x equals to 1 over 3. Now let's quickly check. Let's see if we are actually correct. Checking. So we have x equals to 27 raised to power minus x, and we see our x is 1 over 3. Alright, so now this is 1 over 3 equals to 27 raised to power minus 1 over 3. Okay, and then this gives the cube root of 27. Alright, so this is 1 over 3 equals to cube root of 27 is 3, and then we have minus 1. Okay, so 3 raised to power minus 1. So we have 1 over 3 equals to, this is also 1 over 3. That means that the answer x equals to 1 over 3 is a valid answer. Alright, you can see that we didn't use Lambert W function and we didn't use logarithm. Alright, so let's solve something similar to this, something very similar. Let's try this. We have x equals to 4 raised to power minus x. Right, so let's find x. Alright, so let's do this and write our answer under the comment section. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.